Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Mind Mastery. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button to watch more videos. We have more negative people in our surrounding more than a positive people. The people think which is not possible from them is not possible by others also. Some other people are jealous. Some people don't want you to grow. Some people don't know your capacity. These are the reasons why the people demotivate others. Once there was a 5-kilometer running race competition in the town, and they announced that who will win the race will be awarded 50,000 rupees. And everyone thought it was not possible by anyone to win the race because it was not a common race. The running race track was filled with full of sharp stones and sharp thorns which will hurt the runner's feet. But even then, more than 3,000 people agreed for the running race competition, keeping 50,000 in their mind. Now the race got started. All over the 5 kilometers, the huge crowd was surrounded to see whether anyone is going to win the race. Within 15 minutes, so many people came out of the track because they got hurt from the sharp stone. Now people started to say, it's not possible to win the race. Please come out of the track so that you people won't get hurt. Now again, some people came out of the track. Only 3 members was running in the track. Now after running for 2 kilometers, another person came out of the track, and now there was only 2 persons. After a few minutes, even another person came out of the track. Now only 1 person was running in the track. Again, all the people started to shout that you can't win the race. Still there is a 3 kilometers. Already your feet started to bleed. He did not listen to anyone. He was running and running. Finally, he reached the end of the track and he won the race. Everyone started to ask the boy. More than 3,000 people was not able to reach at least for 3 kilometers. But how was it possible by you? The boy was silent. He did not speak anything. After some time, he says, I'm sorry, I'm deaf. I can't hear what you people are saying. Now, why do you think he won the race? Yes, he was not able to hear others' words and demotivation. He was just concentrating on his race. Be a deaf person when someone demotivates. Others don't trust you, but you have to trust yourself. Others don't know your capacity, but you know your capacity. Others don't want you to grow, but you want to grow in your life. If it's not possible by others to do, then that doesn't mean it is not possible by you also. They are jealous of you, but you should not listen to their demotivated words. Believe in yourself. Believe in your capacity. Believe in your dreams. Thank you so much for watching my video.